Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must act now, open the game settings and go straight to controls. Once there, pick the layout you use and turn on Custom HUD. This is required to lock positions. Make sure you save a copy by using the export or save option if available, because you will modify button placement. Do not play a match yet, stay in the lobby. These steps give you access to move and then permanently place the fire button where you want it. Now focus on the fire button itself. Tap it and drag it to a fixed spot that fits your thumb and sight lines. Once positioned, look for and turn off any dynamic or movable option tied to that control. This is the only setting that prevents it from shifting mid-game. Use the snap/grid and size adjustments to align it with other icons so it won't collide or nudge. Save the layout and name it clearly so you can reload it later. Finish by saving the HUD layout and immediately testing in a private match or the practice range to confirm the fire button stays put. If it still moves, return to Custom HUD. Reduce the button size, nudge it away from nearby controls, and redisable any move/dynamic flags. Overlapping icons are the usual culprit. Once stable, export or screenshot the layout so you can restore it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.